Nananatiling prioridad ng administrasyon ni Pangulong Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. ang pagpapalakas sa edukasyon at pagpapatatag sa healthcare ng bansa bago matapos ang kanyang termino. Yan ang ulat ni Clazel Pardilla.
Dekalidad na medikal na serbisyo at healthcare system, disenteng pabahay sa mga Pilipino, sapat na pagkain at mataas na antas ng edukasyon. Ilan lamang yan sa mga prioridad at tututukan ni Pangulong Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. sa natitirang taon ng kanyang administrasyon.
The social programs are important. Once you've achieved that, for me, the next thing you should do is education. We have to make sure that the generations to come are well educated, they're well able to compete amongst themselves in the Philippines and internationally because kaya naman ng Pilipino yan eh.
Target ni Pangulong Marcos na ibalik ang dating pagkakakilanlan ng Pilipinas mula sa pagiging pinakamahusay magsalita ng Ingles sa Asya hanggang sa pagkamit ng mataas na literacy rate o kakayahan na magsulat at maintindihan ang binabasa.
But they have to be trained. There has to be a system that brings them up to the standards so they can be internationally competitive in whatever they do. If they enter a business or they compete in the labor market, that's what we need to do.
Ang mga ambisyon na ito at sakripisyo ng mga kawani ng gobyerno na tunay na naglilingkod sa bayan aniya ang ilan sa mga nagtulak ng pagsisiwalat ni Pangulong Marcos sa katiwalian.
These people are trying so hard and these people are doing something else entirely. Yeah. You know, they're just doing all this corruption, just taking money, destroying projects, you know, that people very worked hard on.
Sa kabila ng kaliwat ka ng isyu ng korupsyon, naniniwala si Pangulong Marcos na marami pa ring tapat sa kanilang sinumpaang tungkulin.
Government service is not easy. Yeah. We must respect that people are really working very hard and trying their best. You cannot paint everyone in government with the same brush as all of these corrupt operators. And these corrupt people are not the face of government. All they are is the face of corruption.
Clazel Pardilla para sa Pambansang TV sa Bagong Pilipinas.